Two trucks, loading 2 million medical masks and various other supplies, left Bachu County in northwest China's Xinjiang on Wednesday for East China's metropolis Shanghai. Shanghai, with a population of 25 million, has now become a major battleground against COVID-19. In order to send aids to Shanghai as soon as possible, many enterprises in Bachu County had worked day and night to produce necessary supplies.
上海发生的疫情牵动着我们巴楚县各族群众的心，在上海的朋友们需要我们的时候，我们一定会尽自己的一份力量，加班加点把这些防疫物资快的到把玩，早点送到他们的手中。
Bachu County has been receiving assistance from Shanghai under China's Pairing Assistance Program since 2010. When Shanghai is in need, Bachu is also ready to help.
经过10多年上海的无私援助，巴楚县经济社会发展取得了很大的进步，群众生活方面也得到了很多实惠。上海人民与巴楚各族群众建立了深厚的友情。当前上海疫情发生，我们积极筹措，尽绵薄之力，坚信上海一定能战胜疫情，生产生活恢复正常。